In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Alight Motion Pro app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see the familiar icon on your home screen, usually represented by a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will take you to the main page of the store. Here you can find millions of apps, games, and more. This is your gateway to accessing the Alight Motion app, which is essential for creating stunning motion graphics and animations. It's important to ensure you are connected to the internet, as the Play Store requires a stable connection to display available apps. Once you are in the Play Store, the next step is to search for Alight Motion. You will notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Tapping on it will allow you to enter text. Type in Alight Motion and then hit the search icon or the enter key on your keyboard. Your screen will refresh, displaying a list of apps that match your search. Seeing Alight Motion in the results means you are on the right track. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific app you need for your creative projects. After finding the app, you need to select the one developed by Alight Creative. Look closely at the app's logo and description to confirm it's the correct one. It typically features a colorful design that matches the app's creative purpose. Tapping on this app will take you to its dedicated page where you can read more about its features and see user reviews. This is a good moment to check the ratings and feedback from other users, as it helps ensure you are downloading a quality app. Next, tap Install to begin the download process. You will see a button labeled Install on the app's page. Tapping this will initiate the installation. This step may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's essential to wait for this installation to finish, as attempting to use the app before it is fully installed could lead to errors or crashes. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to tap Open. This button appears right after installation finishes, allowing you to launch the app immediately. Tapping Open will take you directly into Alight Motion, where the fun begins. You can now start exploring its features and tools. This makes sure you can access your new app without delay, letting your creativity flow as soon as possible. Now that you are in the app, you will need to sign in or continue as a guest. If you have an account, entering your credentials will allow you to access your saved projects and preferences. If you prefer to explore without signing in, you can choose the guest option. This flexibility is essential as it accommodates both new users and existing ones. Next, tap Upgrade, Pro, or Membership inside the app to access premium features. This option will typically be displayed prominently on the main screen. Tapping it will guide you to the subscription options available. Here, you can see what perks come with a Pro account, making it easier to decide if it fits your needs. Upgrading is important because it unlocks advanced features that enhance your creative capabilities, giving you more tools to work with. Finally, to purchase a Pro subscription through Google Play, follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to confirm your payment details and finalize your subscription. This process is secure, ensuring that your transaction is safe. Once completed, you will have access to all premium features, enhancing your experience with Alight Motion. This step guarantees that you can fully utilize the app's potential, allowing you to create impressive animations and graphics. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Alight Motion and unlocked its pro features. Enjoy creating amazing content.